Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Factro. Y I don't know how to say welcome in Spanish. Welcome back to another Fatra video. Um, Today we are testing our philosophy. Oh shoot, it's not even on, is it? Never mind, it is on. On human. So basically, will you press the button? It's an old game that people used to play. I didn't play it. I don't remember playing it. So let's go and read this. You have to eat live snakes, but it's gently modified to taste exactly like chocolate and peanut butter or gummy worms. What? Well, I don't know. It wouldn't be that hard because you could just step on the snake. Like, that's the thing with snakes. I don't know why people die of snakes, because just step on the snake. See a rattlesnake? Step on the snake. Just go behind it, then step on it. So I will press the button. Okay, 51%. That's like a 50-50, but 51% are dumb. Just eat the snake. It's good to see. What would I even gain from that? I'm just going to buy chocolate. Hey, but it's free chocolate. It's free chocolate. Next, you know, like I think that nah, like the downside is that I have no money. You live the perfect life, the girls, the money, the fame, but you die at 50 from an aneurysm. Well, like I don't want to live that long, so yeah, I'll push the button. Why would first of all, basically 50-50. Second of all, what's so wrong with dying of an aneurysm at like 50? I'd it's like 20 more years of life of my life. Unless you're over 50, then yeah, you'd just be dead automatically. Okay. I don't want to die. I don't want to live past 50 anyways. Yeah, exactly. I don't want to live past 30. At that point, I'll just be a stinky boomer. I've already seen life. Lol, same name plan. The Alright, yeah, okay. That was an easy one for me. You can create a universe exactly as you detail it, but in order to create this alternate universe, you must die. I don't really care. Like like making an alternate universe would be cool, but at the same time, I die. But I don't really care if I die. But at the same time, I wouldn't. Why would I like the world the way it is? I do love people dying of the coronavirus, and I do love war. Wait, but if I made an alternate reality, I mean an alternate universe, couldn't I not just make it just a bunch of me's? I could just incorporate myself into it. So then an alternate universe me would be living. I don't know. I'm actually stuck. I wouldn't care if I died if I made an alternate universe. And I could get rid of stinky stuff, but like the thing is that the alternate universe would probably go to crap because like I'm not monitoring my universe as it goes on. I'm just saying, oh yeah, I want this to go, or like, oh yeah, I want World War II to never happen, and then that might offspring a bunch of things. So you know what? I will not push the button because why would I? Okay, well, yeah, that makes sense. It's still 50 for some reason. Next. Okay, well, that's a lot of money. You inherit several million dollars, a cushy mansion complete with maids, butlers, optional. Okay, well, I don't care. And you get to effectively make one major decision in any industry you like once a month. There is a hidden security team keeping watch of over you at all times, unless you make requests for them. Yeah, whatever. But there's an official hit. There is a professional hitman trying to find an opportunity to kill you. You are aware of this, but you have no knowledge that can be used to locate or neutralize him. Well, no. First of all, being rich sucks because I'll be bored. Well, being rich isn't bad, but being having several millions of dollars, wouldn't want that. I don't want a private jet. I just want a VR headset and a laptop so I can do. Okay, that's epic. Um, yeah, no. First of all, anxiety. Second of all, yeah, no, no, yeah. But 61 people pressed a button? No, no, yeah. Being rich sucks. You become the smartest person on earth, but you're the ugliest person. I see this as an absolute win. I'm already the smartest person on earth, and I'm already ugly. Actually, no, I will not. No, but in all seriousness, your boy's hard as frick, so no. Yeah. I don't want. You get rid of the fun and ignorance, and also no one wants to talk to you. So that's a no. That's a no for everyone. All those 30,000 people. Okay. You lose any physical and oh shoot, and you will never get sick again. But your lifetime is reduced to, well, then I'd just die like 20. No. I I I I'm gonna say this right now. Bad decision. Even though I would get bigger brain, like I want to get sick. Do you know why? Because I don't want to like go to school. I could say I'm sick and never go to school, so I will not press the button. And yeah, everyone else can want to press the button as well. Okay, you finally found what you were made to do. Best career path of for your life, but the pay is awful. You'll barely make it by each month. Well, I here's the thing. I want to do what I want to do. Wait, no. Yeah, no, no. Epic. All right, so no, I'd already have that encompassed in my mind, or I already do have it encompassed in my mind. So no, I just say, oh, I want this job, but I really want this job. Your children would become geniuses, but would be a Aaron. That trip has failed, my friend. No. Wait, did I press the button? I forgot. Uh, your political party gets. I don't know about anything about policies or politics. What the I would. I don't know. No. Who's that? I'm not into politics. All I know is Ligmania. It was always a like an upslide vote because Lord Ligmo is a dictator. It was a good one, but Tropico? What the frig is that? What's Tropico? No, I don't know what it is. I don't really care. Yeah. Yeah, no. I'll wait. You get a Death Star, but you cannot fix its one obvious flaw. Um, guys, I know I've been stating how I was not um Barack Obama, the former president that has, I think, put America into trillions of debt, and I also stated how I was The Rock. But this is serious, guys. Um, I am Emperor Palpatine. That's why I will push the button, and because it's like, here's the thing: who says that I'm gonna do anything bad with it? What if I just want a really cool Death Star? And plus, if I did do anything, like, oh, I know, United States missiles would just, well, it would be dependent on where my Death Star was, because if my Death Star was like like millions and millions and millions and millions of parsecs away from, say, no, yeah, parsecs are distance, I think. So if I was like light years away from, like 5, 10, 20 light years away from like the world, I could do whatever I want to, including blow up the unit, including just blow up the entire world. Because yeah, yeah, there's because in a real world scenario, there's only one threat I would have, and that would just be the Earth. And if I just blow that up, then I wouldn't have any threat because it's the real world. It's not Star Wars where there's a bunch of rebels going after me. It's just me. So so yeah, it's fine to have a Death Star. I don't know what I would do with it. I'd probably just say, "What up, guys?" I don't even know if could even go to it because it would depend if I was in the Death Star. But there'd be no one operating the Death Star. No, no pilot, just me. Hopefully, I'll have like a little mini fridge so I can eat Doritos. Whatever. Having a Death Star is a great idea. Next question. Okay. You become the most attractive person you have ever, uh, person to have ever lived. Well, I've already, yeah, I'm already that guy. But every ugly person that sees you will co- try to cold-bloodedly kill you. I see this as an absolute win. I'm just pushing the button. Do you know how hot 39? You know what? Whatever. Do you know how hot I am, bro? I've been pushing that button. You get 10 million. What? You get 10 millions. What the 10 millions of what? But you lose your right hand. 10 millions of what? No. I don't want 10 millions. I'm gonna say right, guys, I don't want 10 millions. I'm gonna say right now, as the former president I mean, as not the former president of the United States, I do not want 10 millions. All right, let's go see. Ooh, that's a bad word, man. That's epic. Wake up every day with perfect hair every day for the rest of your life. Okay, that's okay, but you can never trim your no. I my hair, like, literally no one cares about my hair. I don't even care about my hair. So no. You become a ren- world renowned author and a millionaire, but every hair on your head and body must be at least 1 meter long. No, I'm not pushing it. You know? Yeah, frick that. I'm not pushing it. Yeah. I don't want a big afro, big pubic hairs, big armpit hairs, a big mustache, a big beard. I'll look like a bahonka. I'll get used to it eventually. You will. You get 100 Robux for every breath you take, but you always smell like rotten meat. Rotting meat. Well, I already do smell like rotting meat, but I will not because I don't care about money. At this point in my life, I will. So, once I become broke like the joke, or broke as a joke, I forgot I say it usually. The Holocaust never happened, but Hitler wins. What the those two kind of coexist. No? I don't know. Nah, I'm not even touching that can of worms. Yeah, that almost became 69. Man, yeah, nah. You can have any superpower you've ever wanted in your life, but you're forced to marry your worst enemy, girl or guy. Well, I'm not homo. Couldn't I not just have a power to combat? You're for. I'm forced. No, the force says I have to. So, um, no. Well, yeah, no. I don't want superpowers that bad. It's not really that tempting. Apparently, 58% of people want to be gay or straight, depending on who their worst enemy is. That seems like it would backfire. Something beneficial happens to you, but each day of the rest of your life, you have or to do something unpleasant, or something unpleasant happens to you. Well, that's just my life, bro. You know, wait, what the no. Wait, no. The beneficial thing could have just been like I got McDonald's, which I did actually get yesterday. But it could have just been like, hey, Thatcher, you got McDonald's. Like, I don't care. And then now I'll have to make someone's life miserable, or my life will be miserable for that one day. No, yeah. Oh, almost 69. You you no longer have to stress or worry about worry in your life. Okay, that's pretty cool. But there's no excitement or adventure in your life. That's kind of perspective. Well, like, no, stress is temporary. So, like, stress doesn't like even though stress can like happen for like probably days, like it has been with moi, like it still eventually goes away. Or that person who is stressing you dies. Or maybe you're just in a lot of debt. So, yeah, I won't. Because stress is temporary. 72% agree with me. You can fly, stop time, and make things appear at the snap of your fingers. But every time you use one of your powers, a poor, hungry child. Well, how do we know that the child is poor? How do we know that the child? It's very narrowed down to just some kid in Africa. Okay, okay. I'm not okay. I'm sorry for saying it, but a poor, hungry child dies. There's so much poor, hungry children out there that if I just use my powers over and 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 over again, that maybe there won't be any more poor, hungry children, which wouldn't be a good thing. But would it be a bad thing? No, it's called evolution. They didn't evolve to their surroundings, which was me becoming a weird god creature that can fly and snap my fingers. Yeah, so I am pushing the button. All right, whoever did not push the button are a bunch of noobs. Loophole. I don't care about first. Enough food and money to. Oh, well, that makes sense. But at the same time, I don't care. I'm out of misery. I know, right? How isn't this a win-win? Yeah, exactly. It's a win-win. I don't see. Okay, whatever. You get every video game you could ever want, but you gain 200 pounds. No, actually, no, because I'm like 100 something, 110 probably. I'd be 300. I don't know if my metabolism probably cannot defend that. So no, I don't want to become I don't want to become the living embodiment of fat. Um, so no, yeah, I'll just buy the gosh dang game. I don't want to become like freaking diabetic. You live forever, but you survive even when humanity and the world are destroyed. No, because if I do, then if I, because like eventually the world is going to fall on its head and it's going to explode and it's going to be no. And then I'll just be in space choking for the rest of my life. Yeah, that's it. Like it would be cool to find out like everything that was happening around me. I could even be my own cool super guy, but at the same time, if I went into any trouble, and I got like a life sentence, then I couldn't die, and I'd just be in jail. So no, it's pretty stinky. I'm not gonna say it. Well, like I am gonna say it because I just did. Being immortal is stinky. Unless you can control when you live or die, then that'd be cool. I wish I could do that when I'm doing something that I don't like. Ha ha ha. You gain the ability to fly with no limits on your power, speed, or range, but you will leave a sparkly. Wait, that's cool. What's so wrong with that? Yeah, I'll press the button. I don't really care. Yeah, 88%. Like whoever the 12% are just like little kids who are like, ew, pink is disgusting, bro. No, no, pink is okay. I'm okay with pink. Oh shoot, that's another swear. Haha. Your aim at a FES thing would be as good as a thing as an aimbot, but you can only go to your computer for 10 minutes a day. Wait, hold on. As that other guy was saying about loopholes, what if I just buy another computer? What if I just go onto like I don't know my sister's computer? It says your computer, so I guess this one would just become absolute garbage. So, yeah, I'll press the. But that's like $1,000. I don't want. Yeah, I don't want to spend $1,000 on a computer. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Okay, that's epic. You can read other people's mind, training included. Wait, well, I don't really care, but whoever thoughts you are reading will be said out loud by your mouth. Well, loophole, I can just whisper. I can just be like, actually, no, that's probably too quiet, so. Oh no, the truth hurts, and as most people know, or at least as I know, I do not like to look at what I got for my projects. If you are a teacher, do not show me my test grade. I like to live in blindness and I like to live in darkness. I do not care. Even though I probably failed, I do not care. And I think that lack of knowledge is beautiful. I think that I'm gonna say right now, being ignorant is more beautiful than being an intelligent person. You marry any anime character of any anime you watch. You're stuck in the character's world and become an anime. Bro, that's gay. No, that's gay, bro. Bro, I'm not. Okay, whoever. No, no. 61% of the population are gay. If you watch anime, you are gay. I'm not gonna lie. Unless you're watching Fatra, then you're bisexual. If you watch Fatra, then you're bisexual. You're fine. But if you watch anime, you're gay, bro. And if you want to watch any anime character, you're freaking homosexual. Okay? No offense towards gay people, but I just have to clear the cloud that 61% of people are gay, right? Just had to make sure. I think I'll stop at the 30-minute mark. You can do anything you want, but you can never shave your legs. My legs aren't that hairy, so yeah. And plus, if I could do anything I want, I could just shave my legs. Wait, why would I even want to shave my legs anyway? I don't want to look like Anakin Skywalker. I want my legs to be gone. Yeah, frick that. You will have a beautiful wife and children, but you have to live in a future ruled by demonic overlord. That just sounds like hell. You have your Karen, and you have her beautiful children, and you have you. No, I do not want to live in hell with Karen and my two kids who I tried to abort. Well, you're a fly. You have any ability to fly, but you're a fly. I'm pressing that button right now. Who wouldn't want to be a fly, bro? You just like, all right. Well, thank you so much for watching this epic Fatro video. Make sure to make sure to join my Discord if you haven't. It's probably going to be in the link down below. Make sure to also join my Minecraft server for Bedrock. It will also be in the link down below. Face face reveal at 7 million. S or or as this application wants to say, 10 million.